Just you can't go on the federal property. You're good being.
Well, no, I can fly over it. I can't. You're right. I can't go on. I can't trespass, but I can fly over it. Absolutely.
Is federal regulations prohibit it around a federal building?
Oh yeah,
we're not a federal.
I know.
Building.
Yeah,
but this is.
But
well,
this
the Armoury is the.
Yeah.
No, you said you're not doing anything wrong.
No, I know. Good yourself?
Good. Your drone?
It is, yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I need it off. Okay.
How can I help you, Constable?
Well, it's concerned about the drone, but I don't know if there's any rules against flying the drone.
I have my pilot certificate. I can answer questions about drone operations if you like.
Oh, cool. Like, is there any restrictions on flying the drone in the city? Do you know?
There's no restrictions on, no, so the city can't enact bylaws, nor can the province. The Transport Canada controls airspace.
Okay.
Now there are some restrictions, like the province of Ontario can enact stay away zones over like prisons or detention centers.
Okay.
And some, provincial parks, but the city can't enact any bylaws that restrict drone operations. The only type of it's a biplane. You don't see those every day. The only
it lands out there at the airport.
Yeah, I know. The only type of restrictions that are you guys a 2-tier municipality or 1-tier?
I have no idea there was more than one tier.
Yeah, so there's municipal and sometimes regional or county.
Okay, we're a municipality here.
Yeah, but it's just the municipality of Guelph?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because then so with that explanation, I would say we're just a municipality because I know the county of Wellington works within the city, but it's separate. So that's why I would say that.
Then you're 2-tier. So
two-tier?
yeah,
Okay.
and a lot of places are. Anyway, so the 2 tiers, they can enact bylaws that I can't be on your property and operate a drone, but they can't say I can't fly over their properties.
Okay. I have no idea, to be 100%.
No, I know, it's fair enough. It's not something you probably deal with very often.
No, like we have people, like we have a couple of people that come and they'll take pictures of our cruisers and stuff, but they won't. But they've never used a drone, so that's why I'm out here.
Yeah.
Because if you were just filming with your camera, I'd be like, okay.
Yeah.
But I've never had this.
It's basically a flying camera.
Yeah, of course. So I did.
Do you guys have a drone unit?
Yeah, we
so
do.
just talk to a drone pilot.
Yeah.
Just you can't go on the federal property. You're good being.
Well, no, I can fly over it. I can't. You're right. I can't go on. I can't trespass, but I can fly over it. Absolutely.
Normally, federal regulations, what our drone pilot said, and I'm just relaying this information, is federal regulations prohibit it around a federal building.
Oh, yeah.
We're not a federal
I know.
building.
Yeah.
But this is.
But
well,
this
the Armoury is the,
Yeah.
D&D, right? But the thing is, they can't restrict it. Now, if this was...
It's a micro drone, he was saying, is like, he was saying that for micro drones and the like, they basically see them as like unlicensed pilots, so as long as they're not flying in a manner that's like reckless or dangerous.
I realize that. It's 902.11. I know that.
Yeah.
So, again, you'll... it's hard to have a conversation with someone that's not here, but it relates to your drone pilot operator.
No, you said you're not doing anything wrong.
No, I know, but it's just about the federal property.
Oh.
I can fly over. The only time the federal government can restrict it is if it's a Class F. The city of Guelph, County of Wellington, they don't have Class F airspace anywhere in your region or city.
Cool.
Now, Class F would be the closest to where we are would be Niagara Falls, like right over the Horseshoe Falls.
Yeah.
Because there's a bunch of unplanned, unscheduled helicopter flights and stuff.
Yeah.
Then around like the Prime Minister's residence, any federal CFB that has an airport, an air base, those have Class Fs usually.
Interesting.
So, but like
Petawawa base?
Yeah, Petawawa, because I think they're decommissioning that air, that air base, but that wouldn't take away immediately the airspace, the Class F. Because sometimes they'll test equipment like much more sophisticated than this, but they'll test drone equipment and then they'll want that drone equipment. So neat, right?
And our drone is, from what I understand and I've seen it, it's
Yeah, so
pretty
it's
large.
probably a Matisse 300 RTX, which it's
I'm not a drone guy.
yeah, it's like 10 kilograms, and it has like 300 times zoom, thermals, and all this other stuff.
Cool.
Mine is.
Where'd you get yours?
I got it at Best Buy.
How much?
1600. But yeah, but you could get cheaper. Like you can go with an older version, or you can get one without the screen. You guys want to see what the screen
Yeah, that's cool.
looks? Yeah. So I mean, it's looking straight down, so that H just leads home.
So you fly it as if you're first person?
Yes, yeah.
That's
No,
cool.
well, yes and no. So, true first person, the camera it never moves. So you can, this
so
one,
kind
I
of like
can-
a fighter
Yeah.
plane or whatever.
yeah.
That's cool.
Whereas this one, it's more of like basically a flying camera. I have an aerial photography business. And one of the
really?
things, yeah, one of the things I do is, this is not for obviously my paid business, but I go around and photograph either interesting or historic or
Cool.
unique buildings. So I just
Have you gone to Hamilton?
Not so much. Hamilton's kind of gross. Yeah.
So they've got a lot of
Not gonna
cool.
get any argument out of me on that.
I grew up in Hamilton. Have you seen the McMaster campus and a lot of those Gothic?
So yeah,
Yeah,
I've seen
really
them.
cool
I haven't
stuff
photographed it from the air. I photographed it with my regular camera.
Oh yeah.
So with this, I photographed, like I said, the Armoury here. I upload these to like Google Maps so people can
Yeah,
see this
100%.
location.
Yeah.
I just finished the cathedral, which is one of the most
The
beautiful.
Basilica.
Yeah,
up
the
here?
Basilica,
It's
which is
gorgeous.
one of the most beautiful buildings I've ever seen in my
Oh,
life,
100%.
right?
Unless you
So-
go to Europe, you're not going to get that anywhere
exactly.
else.
Yeah, not even in Toronto. Right?
No,
you guys are.
those are all
unique that
gone.
way.
All right, man.
Anyways.
See you later.
Yeah, I won't waste your time.
Have a good one.
Yeah, I got work to do. So.
Yeah, take care, eh?
Yeah, see ya.
See ya.